The James Bond villain Goldfinger remarked that, quote, once is happenstance, twice is coincidence. The third time, it's enemy action, unquote. In State v. Rosado, the court considered whether a series of timely appearances was enough enemy action to prove conspiracy. Carlito was shot and killed near the New Haven train station. Carlito's friends blamed Aaron McCrae, also known as A-Love. Geraldo Rosado and other associates of Carlito's gathered to discuss what to do. Rosado later stated that at this meeting, a man named Primo offered $15,000 for killing McCrae. Primo gave 2 guns to Luis Santana. Rosado and Juan Nunez went with Santana to the area where they expected to find McCrae. Santana lurked in an alleyway until the men received word that McCrae was in the area, whereupon Santana ran across the street and shot McCrae. The shooting occurred in broad daylight in a public area. A 911 caller reported that McCrae had been shot by, quote, 2 Spanish guys, unquote. After the shooting, the 3 men ran to Nunez's home. Nunez later told Rosado that he'd put the guns away for Santana. A few days later, police found the 2 handguns hidden in Nunez's apartment building. Rosado later admitted to police that Santana had called him to report that the guns had been found. 3 months later, Rosado was arrested for the murder of McCrae. While in custody, he gave the police this account of the crime, but on other occasions he also falsely told them that he hadn't been at the scene of the killing. The prosecution found DNA evidence from at least 3 individuals on both guns. That evidence didn't eliminate Rosado as a possible suspect. Rosado was tried in Connecticut Superior Court. He was convicted of conspiracy to commit murder. After the verdict, Rosado moved for a judgment of acquittal. He argued that he'd merely been present at the scene of the crime and the evidence was insufficient to sustain the conspiracy conviction.